fix my H-E-A-R-T.
Almost hit that car.
And another shot like my
Strength and guidance, what you need right now, since people wanna.
Cause it will take a whole lot. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Love me, say that you love me.
Face nice. They beeping at me.
And the first aid kit handy. You're the only one I want, girl. Know how to patch up the one.
Don't matter by Akon.
To realize what we used to have, we don't have it. We made it. So this is the tour of our hotel. This is the bathroom. Okay. Kitchen. Living room. Dining room. And our bedroom. And the balcony. Okay, sis. But anyways, yeah, we're about to go to the beach now. So hope you guys like that quick little tour. Outfit. Janika. Outfit. And we're wearing slippers.
I think this thing.
Hey, hey, hey.
You go to the car and get your same stuff.
Outfit change. Outfit change. Brian. Outfit change. Now we're off to dinner. This lighting is terrible, but we're off to dinner. We are at Tanger Outlets.
We found little Yachty and little Uzi sitting over there.
You can't see us because it's too dark out here, but we're just doing some shopping at the Tanger Outlet. The Tanger. I don't know what Brian is either, so and this music is bothering me. So
What it is.
bye. All right, guys. So sorry that the lighting is bad, but this is the end of today's vlog. We went shopping. We got some stuff from Room 21. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos and to see the rest of our trip. So I'm just gonna go through this stuff with you guys. I have this white jacket and it looks like this. Netting, nice, nice. Hood, that was $3. Then I have this long sleeve crew neck shirt that says "Stay Beautiful" right there. It's just a plain shirt. It was also $3. I got these pants for $7, and they're like these Kim Possible pants. They're green, got pockets. You know, they're fancy. Also, oh, those pants were $7, and I got this like military green jacket, whatever it is called, and this was $3. And then I got this flannel, and it is pink and navy and white, and it's just like a little oversized flannel that I can throw over things. So yeah, Janika also got stuff. You want to tell them what you got? I'll leave it to you. Okay. She got the best stuff ever. This crew neck sweater. Brian. This crew neck sweater. And it says Catching Feelings. It's a black crew neck sweater. And this one was
$3, I think. Yeah, all of
$3. Then we have this one.
Get off that.
That says Very Busy, and it was $5.
That's also $3, I think.
Oh, $3. And then she got a little cropped army jacket, military green jacket with a hood on it, you know, like that. And this one was $5. And lastly, She got this bomb little blue jean crop top thing, and it has like little parachutes and diamonds and cactus and stuff on there. $5. And that is all that we got. I hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you guys, or I'll see you guys in the next video.